Okay, good morning, guys. We're going to work on quadratic linear systems this week. Today we're going to do graphically, which is a little bit easier. And then tomorrow we'll do algebraically, and we'll do this some more for Wednesday. And then we're still going to take a quiz on Thursday this week. So make sure you're doing that. Now, when you're solving a quadratic linear system, when you're doing it graphically, you're looking for where the points intersect. So if I look here, the point intersects at 1, 0. And if I look here, the point intersects at -2, 1, 2, 3, -3. So that's where we're looking for. You're going to get two equations, and we're going to look to see where it intersects. So if I look at what is the solution here, that would be choice 1, this point right there. This one's not a choice. All right? So now if we take a look at number 2, we're going to do number 2 and 3, and then you'll work on the rest on your own. Okay? Actually, we might do one more after that. So if you look here, it says, what are the values of x to solve this equation? Those are just old, this is old stuff. Those are roots. So that would be 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and -4. Those are just roots. So that's old stuff. If you don't get to it, it's okay. Don't worry about that. But now here's the new stuff. We have to graph this line. What is my slope? Well, my slope's the number with x, so it's 2 over 1. What is my y-intercept? Well, that is my b value, which is 1. So I start up 1, and I go up 2, right 1, and I'm going to plot as many points as I get to confirm where my intersection points are. Now, because you have a quadratic, you can have 2 intersection points. You could also have 1 intersection point, and you could also have no intersection points. But you could have 2. So if you look here, we do have 2 intersection points. All right, we have this point right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 3, 7. And I have this intersection point down here, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's -3, -5. So if you look at the last part, C on this, it says, what are the solutions? Those are my intersection points. So my solutions are 3, 7, and -3, -5. All right. Okay, so graphing calculator, we're going to do some quadratic equations. We're going to, remember, we're going to type it into y equals. So I'm going to type in x squared plus 2 and y equals and second graph for my table. Remember, our table has to have the same top and bottom y. So I scroll. Oh, I saw right there. So obviously I can't plot that point, but I can plot the other ones. So I'm going to just write down my table over here. So I have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And I have 6, 3, 2, 3, 6. All right. Sorry if you couldn't see that. All right, so now I'm going to plot my points. So I got -2, 6, -1, 3, 0, 2. And there's my graph. Make sure I label it. Okay. Now going to the next part. My slope is -1 over 1. My y-intercept is -4. So now when I go to graph this one, I start at -4, up 1, left 1. And what you're going to start to notice when we're graphing this is that this thing does not... Sorry that my line is a little sloppy. I do not have a straight edge. But you'll see that they do not intersect. That can happen. So when it says this question, what are the solutions? I have no solutions. All right. And then let's do one more just so we can see a 2 solution one. Okay, let's do exercise 5. Okay, so I'm going to plot this in my calculator to get my points. So I go to y equals. I have x squared minus 6x plus 9. Second graph it. Top and bottom y's got to be the same. Boom, 9 and 9. So I do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my x's. And my y's are 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. All right, over here, plot my points. I got 0, 9, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 1, And just like that. And label x squared plus 6x plus 9, and this is actually minus. All right, now if we look at the linear function right here, it's not equal to 0, so we have to get it equal to 0 and make sure you can only combine like terms. All right, so minus 7 on both sides, I get that. My slope is 2 over 1. My y-intercept is negative 7. So I start, let me get you over here so you can see it. I start at negative 7, and I go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. And I go up 2, right 1, all right, yeah, right there. So right there is my intersection point. So this is just a one intersection point. I'm going to label this. Okay, so now I got to write my solutions here. So I'm going to write a solution. And since it only hits at one spot right there at 4, 1, that is my only solution. All right. So finish this. This is due today. Make sure you do your Google form. And tomorrow we're going to do this stuff, solving the algebraically without graphs. All right. And we'll talk to you soon. Remember, quiz Thursday. Have a nice day.